Meaning of gregariousness.
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 Gregariousness. Gregariousness refers to the tendency of individuals to seek and enjoy the company of others. It is a personality trait commonly associated with extroversion and sociability. People who score high on gregariousness tend to be outgoing, friendly, and enjoy socializing with others. They often have large networks of friends and acquaintances. In contrast, individuals low on gregariousness may prefer solitude and have smaller social circles. Overall, gregariousness plays an important role in social behavior and can affect one's overall well-being and success in social situations.